Good morning, class. How are you? Now let us discuss about religious festivals of India. There are many religious festivals in India as people of many different religion live in India like Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Christmas, Good Friday, Eid, Guru Purb, etc. Now, first we discuss about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated by Hindus. It is considered that on this day Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman. People of Ayodhya celebrated this occasion as Diwali. On this day, people wear new clothes, worship the goddess Lakshmi, make colorful design on the floor known as Rangoli. They decorate their house, light diyas and candle, and children burst crackers to celebrate this auspicious day. Sweets are made at home and distributed to the relatives, neighbors, and friends to show their love and happiness. Children, you remember that you have done all these things to the last Diwali? Now come to the Shera. It is a festival of Hindus. It is also called Vijayadashmi, means victory over evils. On this day, effigies of Meghnad, Kumbhakaran and Ravans are burned in some places of India. According to Hindu mythology, he was a powerful demon and was killed by Lord Ram. On this day, people wear new clothes, exchange gifts, and show respect towards elder by touching their feet. Our next festival is Holi. It is the festival of colors. It is also celebrated by Hindus. It is celebrated in the month of March, so it marks the end of winter and the beginning of summer. Especially children love this festival very much. They put gulal and color on each other. A special dish called gujia is made on this festival. Children, you know the story behind Holi? Okay, I am going to tell you. Long ago, there was a noble boy named Prahlad who worshipped Lord Vishnu, but his father Hiranyakashipu compelled him to worship him, not Lord Vishnu, but Prahlad refused to do so. Then he punished his son. He ordered his sister Holika, who had a boon that fire could not burn her, took in her lap and set on fire. She did so, but you know what was happened? By the grace of God, Holika burned and Prahlad was saved. So, Holi is the symbol of victory of good over evil. Now I discuss Eid. You may say Eid ul Fitr. It is a festival of Muslims. They celebrate Eid at the end of Ramzan. Ramzan, the holy month of fasting, in which they eat nothing for sunrise to sunset. Even they do not drink water. Student, these are the days of Ramzan. Many of you are on Roza. I know it. We all know it. On Eid, people wear new cloth, visit mosque to say prayers. Their prayers is called namaz. They hug each other and wish Eid Mubarak. A special dish is cooked called sevai. On this auspicious day, they donate to poor also. Younger gets money from elders, that is called Eidi. Now, our Sikh people celebrate Guru Purb. Guru Purb is celebrated in a great pomp and show to remember the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. On this day, Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers, lights, and color. People go to the Gurudwaras with their family to pray, and colorful processions are seen on road in the morning. On this day, words from Holy Sri Guru Granth Sahib are recited. People sit together for a community meal called langar. Langar means food cooked for a large number of people and they eat together. Now our next festival is Christmas. This festival is celebrated by Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate Christmas tree with stars, light, bells, etc. They go to the church to pray. In church, they all together sing carols. It is believed that Santa Claus gets gift for children on this day. So, children wish for him. People wish each other Merry Christmas. They eat Christmas cake on this day. Now, children, these are our religious festival. You know what is the importance of festival? Importance of festival is this, that these festival teach us how we should live happily and how we should make cordial relation between each other. We wear new clothes, eat special dishes and exchange gifts. These are the symbol of love. So we all should celebrate all festival in a great pomp and show with